Behind the Scenes, Mark Price, take one.
So it's a tremendous undertaking. And we started with a really broad idea that we wanted to do something new, we wanted to do something fresh and exciting. We weren't fearful of failure. There's nothing out there like it. I think it's a game changer for us. The vision really was to take a product and make it on brand, make it really easy to use, and to get it connected so we have the data to drive future innovation.
So I think the mission behind Syndeo was always built on connected and smart, and those words were used by us to basically describe a new consumer provider experience, a new place for us to connect the device and connect the provider, and ultimately get that provider in touch with the consumer. So that was a lot of what was behind the spirit of the initial product and really how it was supposed to behave in an experience.
In order to accomplish a project like that and bringing multiple cross-functional groups together, it's really important that everyone comes together and is synced. You know, we didn't have gesture controls or RFID, and there's a lot of development that goes into the hardware, the firmware, and the software to make all of that work. Ultimately, the product is out there to give people the best skin of their lives. You know, when you get done with a treatment, you glow. You look amazing.
So we've called the product Syndeo, right? And loosely that means connected in Greek. What we're doing with this product is we're connecting our estheticians and our providers directly to our consumers. And this is going to really allow us to see a holistic view of the consumer. And then through the app, we're going to keep them engaged when they're not with the esthetician. But more importantly, this is really going to be a marketing tool. So for the first time, the technology is really going to help our business partners grow their overall business, aside from just the treatment aspect. I think the most exciting thing about Syndeo is this is really our first time where we're going to be able to connect consumers and estheticians where you live, work, and play.
We were able to utilize our connected ecosystem to connect all of those devices and bring Syndeo into this community without compromising personal information. The enhanced user experience that we introduced in Syndeo, features like gesture control, user interface standards, and features that are new to the industry.
So our gesture controls with our hands, they don't even have to touch the screen. The RFID readers on the bottle, they know they're using the right serums, they know when they're going to run out of serums, that the booster vials are being recognized and recorded. Tech behind the product makes it easier for our users.
Every single detail on this unit was really looked at. Syndeo overall, it's sleek, it's well designed, and it's made for the end user in terms of functionality.
This product is next level. We don't want to call it evolutionary, it's really revolutionary. We've made a global mark with our previous products. We've introduced connectivity into this device, and that's going to provide a lot of amazing opportunities for our product teams to get data back from the field on what's working, what's not working, help our estheticians understand how they can better support their clients, so it's going to drive their business as well.
The relationship that we have with our providers and our esthetician is at the forefront of everything that we do. This makes their life easier. It gives them a lot more information than they have in the past. The future is here, and it's really exciting.
What's exciting about it is the connectivity, seamlessly see data and provide data to our estheticians, and then to be able to take that information and to share it with other estheticians. If you're traveling, you can go to anywhere you want.
Syndeo. It's going to elevate the HydraFacial experience, not only for our clients, but for our providers and esthetician. HydraFacial is not just a treatment. HydraFacial is an experience. When a client comes in to get a HydraFacial, they already are in tune of what they want to change in their skin. That esthetician is going to have all that information on hand on the device, and that elevates that experience for the client. We're empowering that person. That person looks in the mirror, they look great, their skin looks great, and that just gives them that self-confidence. And that's priceless.